wasn't a mission of mine to be the first to the top, but along the way I was frequently the first, and I didn't bring a head torch. I shouldn't have gone up the mountain so underprepared. As I was getting ever closer to the summit, I felt the curse breaking away from me. The next part of the journey was going to be the toughest. I had to wake up at 2 in the morning and do a 5-hour hike to the summit. I haven't got any footage from that because it was pitch black. Even though I'd sped ahead, someone kind enough to stop was able to give me some water and some biscuits so that I had enough energy and hydration to make it to the top. I don't mean to be overly dramatic, but there was a point on the journey when I thought that would be it. I was caught in between wind on either side and it began to rain. I was boiling hot but freezing cold. I had no supplies. I didn't have my clothes on properly. It was so stupid. I just didn't have the right type of preparation for it. I completely underestimated this. And there was just a point where I was just laying flat, just avoiding the wind knocking me because I couldn't see either side of me, and I thought I might just fall. And then looking back on it in the daytime, yeah, I just could have just fallen. And yeah, morbidly speaking, people do fall, people did fall.